this video, I'm going to do a review with Sqribble. Go to sqribble.net, but you can go ahead and link below this video, and it will link you to where you can get your own product with Sqribble. Sqribble is an ebook creator, and you can do professional looking instant ebooks. You can have your own ebook stores. You can create multiple stores if you would like, or you can make ebooks for clients as well. So I'm going to log into the back office, and if you have purchased Sqribble, I'm just going to do a quick little review with Sqribble. So let's go. So I'm going to log in, sign in, and if you're not a member, you just join, but below you're going to see a link where you can actually join Sqribble. So let's log in. And you get instant access to this software. It's very easy to use. The CEO, you're going to see him right here as soon as this website clears up and loading. And it's taking its time. Okay, here it is. Okay, so you can create mini audio books using AI. ChatGPT for instantly. No speaking required. There is a meeting to register to attend, so I'm probably going to attend that meeting. So let me register. I have other videos that I have made about explaining how Sqribble works. I don't have to keep repeating myself, but all these are the products that they have. Okay, so it's all on the left. When you first have your own back office, these are all red except the Sqribble. Your Sqribble will be green. And then these other ones are different products that they offer if you would like. If you're someone that's more serious into selling ebooks, creating more, wanting more tools to use to make your ebooks, you can go ahead, chat. There's a chat box here. You can actually ask them if you want discount prices on these tools, and that's what I did. I bought each tool one at a time. I didn't buy everything all at once because I didn't have the money to do that. But I have Sqribble. You can create your own instant ebook stores, and they can sell for you for 24/7. You got Talkable. Talkable is really good. You can create audiobooks. Sendable, you can send your ebooks all over the world. Submitter, you can submit your ebooks all over the world too. But Sendable is unlimited emails. It's through emails that you can and landing pages that you can create to get your people to see your ebooks. Okay, but Submitter is an automatic ebook distribution software. So there's different boxes that you check where it will submit your ebooks to different opportunities of different sites. And then Sqribble is what you have where you can create instant ebooks. You got Sqribble Professional. If you want to unlock more templates, you can actually get this. You got Sqribble Prime Monthly. They always add 50 new unlimited templates to help you with your ebooks. And you got Sqribble Fantasia, where it actually creates 3D e-covers for your ebooks. You have Auto Job Finder. This is an automatic tool to help you find profitable jobs. People are hiring people to create their ebooks. So that's Auto Job Finder instantly. And then you have the agency website. You download your own instant agency website with a complete portfolio. And it's to help you get more clients into your business. Alright, so I'm going to go back up here And I believe that there is a new product that they just came out, and I'm gonna go up here and take a look at it. And I have to look up here the packs. Okay, so I think he's came up with different packs. These are the packs that I have already bought. Done for you ebooks that's made. You can sell. These ebooks are already made for you. All you gotta do is edit and put your name and name on it as the author. You got the coloring book pack. You got the journal pack. You got 3D puzzle coloring book pack. The quarantine edition pack. The done for you ebooks pack. Most of these I have. You got a motivational quote pack. I don't have this one. This is the 10 gram packs. And motivational quotes number 2 pack. So I don't have this one either, but I am going to get it. I do sell on Etsy my ebooks, and if you want to follow my Etsy, let me just go to Etsy real quick. Well, there you go. This is my Etsy shop, everyone. You can go to Little Deeze's Crochet or Deeze's Dainty Crafts, and it's all written under my video if you want to click into my ebooks. Now I create my own ebooks. I create my own crochet patterns. These are the patterns I have created on crochet, and I do sell some of my ebooks here. Some of them I create from other different book softwares that I use, and as you can see, I have a lot, and I am going to create more patterns today and try to upload. Okay, here you can go to Sqribble, and like I tell you, I have a link below where you can get to the site. If you join now, there is a webinar that I just shared with you, but this one talks about the basics of how to use this software. And more than 40,000 people are using Sqribble, but there always been a limited time sale, and it's 40% off. And this is a ClickBank product. It's safe, but you get $26 off with the coupon in March 2023. And I'm always updating, making new videos, because if you watch the other videos, they were from the previous years, but in this video you're going to actually see the updates. So if I click on to the $26 off, just ignore this, what you see, you proceed to the checkout. Okay, so the cost of this ebook is $67, and if you there is a coupon. If you apply the coupon, I think it was March 2023, so you will be paying by using the coupon $26.80. You just take it off to $67, and you will only be paying $40.20, and that's the cost of a meal. You know, it's very affordable, and it's a very powerful, simple ebook creator. And I think this is the best in Designer and other products out there, because they always charge a monthly charge. You know, you want to avoid the monthly charges from these sites. Okay, so I recommend everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the next video after you're watching this video, and if you want to learn more about Sqribble, just click on the link on this video above to the right, and I will explain to you more about Sqribble. Have a great day, everyone. Have a blasted day today. It's Friday. just be safe and take care of yourself. All right, bye for now, everyone. See you in the next video.